Welcome to the channel Your AI Side Hustles, where we talk about building wealth and unlocking your financial potential. Today, we're diving into 10 proven side hustles that you can start earning money from today. Yes, today. Whether you're looking for something to supplement your income or kickstart a business, I've got you covered. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's jump in. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill in writing, graphic design, or even video editing, there's a demand for your services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need help. Start by creating a compelling profile and offering competitive rates. Pro tip: focus on a niche to stand out, like blog writing for tech companies or social media graphics for small businesses. Even with no prior experience, you can build a portfolio quickly by taking on small projects. Number 2 is managing social media accounts for businesses. Many small businesses don't have the time or expertise to run their social media. If you're good at creating engaging posts or growing Instagram and TikTok accounts, this could be a perfect side hustle. Use tools like Canva for easy designs and apps like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts. Offer your services to local businesses or reach out to brands online. Start small and scale as you gain confidence. Third on our list, reselling products. This can be as simple as flipping items on eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. You can source items from thrift stores, garage sales, or even clearance sections at big box stores. Look for items like clothing, electronics, or collectibles that have good resale value. Pro tip: use apps like eBay's barcode scanner to check what similar items are selling for. This will help you avoid bad buys and maximize profit. Number 4 is selling digital products. This includes templates, ebooks, or online courses. If you're skilled in something like photography, productivity, or fitness, create a digital resource and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. What's great about digital products is that they're scalable. Create it once and sell it an unlimited number of times. Number 5 is tutoring or teaching online. If you're good at math, science, languages, or even playing an instrument, you can teach others virtually. Platforms like VIPKid, Preply, or even Zoom make it easy to connect with students. Bonus tip: advertise your services in community groups or on LinkedIn to find clients directly and avoid platform fees. Next, print on demand. With platforms like Printful or Redbubble, you can create and sell custom-designed merchandise without needing to hold inventory. Think t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or phone cases. If you're not a designer, don't worry, you can hire freelancers or use pre-made templates. This hustle requires some creativity up front, but can turn into a source of passive income. 7. Delivering food or groceries. Number 7. Food or grocery delivery. Companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart make it easy to get started. It's flexible and you can set your own schedule. Here's an actionable tip: focus on peak hours like lunch and dinner to maximize your earnings. And don't forget to track your miles and expenses for tax deductions. 8. Affiliate marketing. Number 8 is affiliate marketing. If you're active on social media or have a blog, this is a great way to earn commission by promoting products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or niche-specific ones. Share your affiliate links in your content and earn a percentage of each sale. Tip: focus on products you actually use and love. Your audience will trust you more. Number 9 is renting out items you already own. Have an extra camera, bike, or even tools? Platforms like Fat Llama and Neighbor let you rent out your belongings to others. For those with extra space like a garage or a parking spot, you can even rent that out too. It's a great way to earn without much ongoing effort. Last but not least, content creation. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a TikTok account, there's potential to monetize your audience through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Choose a topic you're passionate about and start posting consistently. It takes time to grow, but the long-term rewards can be worth it. And there you have it, 10 proven side hustles you can start today. Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay inspired.